kick it, Jackie Chan.
Okay, so I have to do this quick because I don't want my hair to stand up again because right now it is literally perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all there. So today it's gonna be a DIY back to school supplies because probably right now there isn't like a million, so probably I am the first. Okay, so I went to the park to film this video, well, part of it, and I don't know what was in my sandal, but something bit me and like it's like literally like 10 p.m. right now and it's still hurting me. I think it was an ant. Literally, I could be dying right now. Probably I am, and I'm just like thinking to myself, it's just an ant, it's an ant, no big deal, no biggie. But hopefully you guys like this video and get inspired to decorate your own supplies. I know that going back to school isn't what you want to hear, but as always, for me, something that makes me happy, I guess, of going back to school is decorating my supplies and getting all of my stuff together and pretty much just pretending like I have my life together, even though I don't. But you know, like, it makes you feel good. And without any further ado, so for my first DIY, I'm gonna show you how to transform a plain clipboard into a fun statement piece. Literally all you need is acrylic paint and colorful alphabet stickers. Just paint half of the clipboard in whatever color you desire. Once it dries down, put your favorite quote or fun phrase to motivate you the whole day while you're at school, and it's all done, you guys. Super easy, right?
You slide on all your nights like this. You try on all your nights like this. Put some spotlight on the slide. Oh, yeah.
Another easy DIY to make your notebooks more attractive and at a cheaper price is to cover them with decorative paper. Just pick your favorite one, and if you go to Michael's, you'll be there for like a good 2 hours or so just because there is so many to pick from. And once I'm done gluing it, then it looks like a brand new notebook. And to top it off, I also added this label that I also found at Michael's, and then I added my subject of my class. But I think it just gives it like another look, and it will keep you like very organized to know which notebook is which one. For my second notebook, I did the same exact thing, but for this one, I chose a traveling theme. And then at the top, I put a sticker of the place where I want to travel to. But then I realized that I do live in California, so... But I did like the sticker though, so... Once you're finished, then you have like a complete set of notebooks.
We are the kids that you never can kill. You never can kill. You never can kill. Say that we won't, but you know that we will. You know that we will.
For my last DIY, I'm gonna show you how to create a pencil jar. The only thing that you need here to create this DIY is yellow chalk paint, and you're gonna cover the whole mason jar in paint. So once it dries down, literally you're gonna write on the mason jar number 2, like actually mimicking a pencil. So it's a fun way to keep your pencils organized, and if you're looking for your pencils, just look for your pencil mason jar, and there they are. So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. Also, comment down below, when are you going back to school? Because I believe that I'm going back. I believe that I'm going back to school in August 27. Keep enjoying your summer because you guys still have a little bit of summer left, which I hope that you guys do. And just make the best of it. Like, don't worry about school, even though I'm giving you a video about school. But hopefully you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
It ain't my fault.